Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I wash, deep condition, and press my natural hair. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I part my hair with my fingers into 4 sections so that I'm able to work with it more. It makes it easier for me. Okay, so as I take one section, what I do is I use a Cream of Nature coconut milk. This is a detangling and conditioning conditioner. You can use whatever brand you want, but I'm just using this one basically to soften my hair, because in this video my hair has not been touched in a little while, only because I've been working a lot. So I'm applying a generous amount just to get my hair to be soft and manageable. And you can see that I'm trying to pull my hair apart because it's kind of matted in a little bit. So I have to soften it up to be able to deal with it. And as for the combing part, when it does come to a comb, I usually use my wide tooth comb, but I did not know where my wide tooth comb was, so I had to use what I had at that point. Now once I'm done just generously applying and detangling, I take my hair and twist it like this, and then I just apply the clip back to my hair to keep it out of my way. So I do that to all 4 sections. So everything has been softened now, ready to manage and be washed. So now I'm going in with the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. This is a pretty good shampoo, and I'm basically scrubbing my roots at this point, and also rinsing the shampoo out, and I twist my hair again just to keep it out of my way. I go section by section, and at this point my whole head has been cleansed, and I'm doing a deep conditioning with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafira Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And I apply a generous amount to this only because my hair really does need it. My hair is very dry at this point. And I twist it and put it back into the 4 sections as well. And I place a cap over this. Now I usually leave it on for 30, 45 minutes or an hour. But I left it on way longer than that because I had something to do. But at this point you can see that I went in with the Tresemme Heat Tamer just before blow drying my hair, and I've also rinsed out that deep conditioner, by the way. So my hair is very thick. Sometimes it could be pretty hard to blow dry, but there's a certain way that I want to get it to, and that's how I want my hair. And I finished the rest of it off camera. So this is my hair blow dry. And as you can see, it looks like it still needs some blow drying, but I was kind of tired at this point. So I move all my hair out the way, and I take a small section, and my flat iron is basically like on 400, and I use the brush just to chase my hair a little bit. It looks like I burned myself, but I don't think I did at that part. And I'm gonna go over this one more time, only because I want it to be a little bit straighter. But I don't usually like to straighten my hair because of this long process. It's a little bit more work when you have to do it yourself. So I'm just taking a second section for you guys and showing you one more time. Then I'm just gonna straighten my hair off camera because I didn't want this video to be too long. Okay, so guys, I finally finished straightening my hair. As you can see, my hair is still kind of thick. It's not exactly bone straight. I don't always like straightening my hair. I think I straightened my hair back in January, and then this time in September. I think that this is the last time this year that I'm going to do it because I don't like to put all that heat on it, and plus it's thick, you know. But this is my hair straight. It's been washed, deep conditioned, and all of that.
And I'm probably gonna leave it like this for maybe, I don't know, a week, maybe 2, and probably put it in a ponytail or something, I don't know. But this is my hair straight. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.